Substituting butter for oil, does it matter for baked goods? When a recipe, like for muffins, calls for vegetable oil, does it matter if I substitute the oil for butter because I want that buttery taste in the muffins? Do I need to compensate for the difference by adding, subtracting the amount of butter added?
Butter is at most 82% oil and the rest is water. So, you're going to need to add more butter for the same amount of oil. Besides, you need to adjust the liquid content accordingly since you are going to have more water than you planned. If you are going to use the same amount of oil, then it will not make any difference other than the taste. Just make sure they are of same state, i.e., melted butter instead of vegetable oil or vice versa. If you're making something like muffins, then in my experience the water content is a non-issue. Yes, there's some water. But muffin batter has such a broad range of tolerance that as long as you're basically familiar with the target consistency it'll be fine. That said, the amount of oil or butter that goes into a batch of muffins is not really enough to impart much butter flavor.